you can see that we have the HTML course folder. Of course, this is where all your codes and stuff will be going into. Now what do we need to do really in order to have a clean workspace? You will notice that in most of my codes that I write, I follow this same procedure. I go ahead and create folders inside the folder. So for example, inside the HTML folder, the first thing you will need to do before you write any code, you will need to create an image folder. So this folder will go and hold all images that you'll be displaying on your website. We also have CSS. Okay, CSS. The CSS folder will also be in here. We also have the JavaScript folder. Okay, what else are we missing here? So we have image, we have CSS and JavaScript. Good. All of these folders, if you want, you put them in an assets. So we will call it assets folder. You can highlight all of them. Okay, we highlight all these folders, we push them in assets, so it makes it even cleaner. So you know that inside asset, first inside the HTML course, inside the assets, we have 3 folders. We have CSS, we have image, and we have JavaScript. This is very, very important, guys. You need to remember this whenever you're about to write any code. And then inside the image folder, you will put all your images. Inside the CSS, your CSS file, like this one, will need to go in here. So in this case, we will put this file inside CSS. You can see now the CSS, the style.css is in CSS. Good. And this one as well, asset, it will go inside the asset, and then inside CSS we have 2 CSS files. This is just organizing, and then the HTML. Okay, this is very important. The HTML files will always stay outside the assets folder. Now if we get back to our code, you will see that this file is no longer recognized. It's because we now have assets in here. So if we go and close this file and we open assets, we go inside the CSS folder, you will see those files in here. Now what does this really mean? Okay, this means that in this link we will also have to specify where this file is, and this is how you do it. You say go in the assets. Okay, go in the assets folder. Okay, inside the assets, find a folder called CSS. Okay, and inside CSS, select a file called styles.css. That's how you link the CSS file, okay, in HTML. You will come here and you will do the exact thing. So you will say go in assets, inside assets go in CSS, inside CSS go ahead and select styles, but let's put this one. Nice. That's all, how you link files, how you create folders. Keep it in mind because soon I'm going to blow your mind. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.